In 1969, America saw a muscle car so bold, so loud, and so full of attitude that people didn't just drive it. They followed its legend. This wasn't a regular GTO. This was the 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge, a car that came to the streets with one mission: to rule them. The Judge didn't try to blend in. It rolled in with carousel red paint, massive judge badges, wild striping, and a stance that screamed confidence. Even standing still, it looked like it was breaking every rule in the book. Pontiac didn't create the Judge to be classy. They made it to fight the rising competition, especially cheap, lightweight muscle cars taking over the streets. So Pontiac said, "Let's make something louder, bolder, crazier." And they named it after the famous comedy show Here Come the Judge. Meaning, case closed. Game over, this car wins. Under its hood lived a beast, the Ram Air 3400 V8, pushing 366 horsepower. And if that wasn't enough, you could upgrade to the Ram Air 4. One of the most aggressive engines Pontiac ever built. 0 to 60 in the 5-second range. Quarter-mile times that embarrassed cars twice its price. The Judge wasn't just looks. It was pure American muscle domination. People didn't just see this car, they heard it coming from a block away. The deep rumble, the shaker scoop breathing in air, and that wide body ready to launch. This wasn't transportation, this was attitude on wheels. Police officers knew it, drag racers feared it, and young drivers worshipped it. Despite its power and looks, the Judge was only produced for a short time. Most people chose more common muscle cars. And slowly, the Judge faded into the shadows. Today, a clean 1969 GTO Judge is one of the most collectible muscle cars in America. Because it represents an era when cars weren't just made, they were unleashed. The 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge wasn't built to follow trends. It was built to rule the streets with raw power, insane styling, and a personality no other muscle car could match. And even today, over 50 years later, the Judge still stands as one of the wildest muscle cars America ever created.